So in this problem, this is your phase portrait overall kind of thing. But I want to make note of, you're told to draw the phase portrait from x and y being positive. So that means you actually have to adapt yours and get rid of all of this. And so we're only looking at the first quadrant of values. We're only looking in here. Okay, so then when we come along and look at where y is between 0.5, we're down over here somewhere, and you're right, it's going to eventually go in this path. And then when you went to number 2, it was between half and x. So half and x, let's do that in red, half and x, which means it's going to be somewhere here, which means it'll end up going this way. And then if it is y is bigger than x, what happens there? So I'm starting over here, and it's going to come around and eventually go to the dominant one over here on the third quadrant. But because it's only defined up to here, it will eventually just end up going all the way to this axis. And so it's going to be going along this vector 0, 1. So it's going along that path. I don't know if this number is going to be 5,000, 2, 17. It doesn't really matter but it's just going to end up going there and stopping on the y-axis because of this initial condition up here. And then finally, D part says when x equals y, well, that means it starts on here and then it's just going to go along this axis forever. I hope that helps.